Good evening, football critics. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Nhlanhla Mdima. And yeah, we are back with another video, guys. As you can see, I'm joined by an unfamiliar face on the channel, but a very familiar face to me, which is a very, very, very good friend of mine, Munkonzo Sandi Sobtelezi. Um, Someone who I went to university with, someone who knows football, someone who is a football coach, someone who's very passionate about football development. I worked with him at TUT Football Development. Right now, he's pursuing his own football dreams, particularly in the development. He even started his own foundation back in his hometown. Yeah, man. um, welcome, Jayam. Siyakwamukela now on the channel. We talk and breed football here all the time, and yeah, he'll be joining us throughout the course of the World Cup. Yeah, as you can see, guys, the World Cup has already started, and yeah, asiqalanga kahle, but welcome, Jayam. Kamba.
Yeah, thanks, man. Thanks for wonderful introduction. Indlela introducing it's good, man. Thank you. I'm happy to join the channel. I'm happy to come and discuss the tactics, the football. Yeah. But yeah,
Yeah,
thank you so much for the warm welcome.
hi, King and Jayam. Yeah, but without wasting any time, let's get into it, man. Ish.
Yeah.
So Bafana, Neil, Mexico 2. Not a good start. Not a good start at all. There's so much I want to say about this game. And the worries that I had, even before the game started, going back from what Hugo Bruce had said before he even selected his team about how we're going to approach games defensively because he doesn't want to lose. He's gunning for that third spot. Yeah, bo. And we saw it in the way i-starting lineup sakhe sime ngakhona namhlanje. Yabo. And kwavele wangahamba ngendlela ekade efisa ngayo. We made mistakes, basiphanisha. Yabo. But yeah, Jayam, how did you see that game before Njingize Nqubeka? How did you see that game?
Yeah, yeah. It's a terrible game, eh? Terrible game. Disappointing to watch. Too many errors, too many questions from the coach, how he ended up making the decision he made. What was the plan behind those decisions? And what makes him think that it's the right decision? Firstly, it has to start with the squad selection. Too many question marks for me. Too many players left behind, which I feel like they can contribute and help the team to perform better. So, yeah, it's disappointing, man. It's disappointing. Today we didn't play well, man. At any moment of the game, we struggled to create clear cut chances. We struggled to combine and progress the ball. Yeah, so poor game. It has to start also with the first 11 that he made, going with the 3 center backs, 5 at the back and 2 full back. Then started with the 3 defensive midfield, I can say. Sole, Mkwena, Adams. I can see what Adams was trying to do to progress the ball, but we needed a creative player who can link up the play with him and go forward. Sole out. Terrible, unnecessary mistake, primary school mistakes. Yeah, no, man, it wasn't a good game. There's nothing positive I can say about the team, honestly, nothing positive I can say. Life Osler, too many mistakes, lose the ball now and again. Yeah, but the only thing I can say, man, if you don't do the proper preparations, that can be the results.
Yeah, man. Like, yeah, no. I mean, the problem I had with Yonkele approach of trying to be too defensive is what happens when Mexico scores. Umuphi plan wethu because we are too defensive because ubonile namhlanje we didn't have a winger, we didn't have a 10, so there was no way we were going to create opportunities. We're playing away, we're playing against a team that's obviously inomfutho because they are hosting, yabo, and they are a good team. About number 15 Gamma rankings, yabo. Now we decide to not play like any of our threats. So how do you create opportunities when you go in behind? Like when you go behind in the game, what do you do? There was no point in that game where I felt like Sizokor.
Yeah,
There was no
honestly.
point. There was no point where I felt like we were gonna score in that game. Even if silly mistakes, because we set her up defensively, but then uyabona ukuthi ama-player they trying to play ngendlela ehlukile from what wena as a coach you've set up. Yabo, ama-player they're trying to play out from the back, they are not comfortable. Aboyaya Sithole, they are not comfortable with receiving the ball from the back, especially when they are being pressed. Yabo, like coach sets up ngendlela ethile, and the player, it's like there was no understanding from coach nama player. A coach who sets up a defensively, I'm a player they're trying to play ngendlela yokuthi we already have a player who are going to take the game to Mexico. But we are not set up in that way. So there was no cohesion at any point. Like, yo, bruh,
Exactly.
what's Ibafana going forward?
As I said, like no positive from that game, bro. No positive from that game. Defensively, in the midfielder was like it was so bad. The midfielder was so bad. It was so bad. Maybe the defense they tried there and there, but again, that's the question I always said. Hugo Cruz, you approach the game with more defensively. Like, but your defensive team, your defenders, are they good enough? Do they prove themselves that they can make it on a bigger stage of football? Because now you are competing among the best. You are competing against the best team, best countries in the world. So do you trust those guys? Do they prove themselves? If you trust, you can trust anyone, but the most important thing is to prove themselves. You understand? So these guys, remember, they didn't play like as a partners on a major tournaments, AFCON and stuff. And you come and start them on the World Cup. You understand? It's like a gambling, bruh. So it's better to go with the same combination that you have on the AFCON, on the previous AFCON, even on the preparation. Don't try something new on the World Cup, bruh. I feel like that's cost us a lot. That's cost us a lot. You approach the game defensively, like he was just going there for 1 point, and that didn't happen. And there was no way that can happen. There was no way that you can get a draw from Mexico playing on that way. I believe we have the better team than the one that he starts with. As long as we can have someone with the right mentality who can understand the players and try to play them according to their strength. It's fine. We are underdogs. Even if we lose, it's fine, man. You understand? It's fine. Let's lose. Then at least we play according to our way. At least we play the football that we always know. That South Africa they are capable of. So lento yokuthi uye lapho uyodefenda because usaba ukudliwa ngamagoli amaningi and stuff. At the end of the day, it's a World Cup. You understand? It's a World Cup, and South Africa is not even top 10 countries, best top 10 countries. So even if you lose, you've got nothing to lose. That's my point, bro. Why don't you go and give your best? So I feel like that was terrible. That was terrible to watch. But yeah, and we have 2 games left, and it's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy. It's all. But yeah, you can
I'll just be honest, Yabo. And you said it, you nailed it on the coffin. Like Vetu, it's not like we're very in this World Cup. Tina as South Africans, we're coming to this World Cup expecting Uguti is we win. Yabo. Like if we're being totally honest with ourselves. So, coach, just let the players be themselves. Just let South Africa be themselves. Like how he did in AFCON 2023. Like his starting 11 was so fluid. Yabo. Players were playing their own positions. Yabo. They like there was no Uguti. Like team says Saba, like we were giving too much respect to the team. Yabo. Hence why we went all the way to the semi-finals. Yabo. Now usakazama ukushintsha because while he's scared ukushawa ngamagoli amaningi. Vele we're not gonna win the World Cup even if we play defensively. We are not ready at all to win the World Cup. Even if ufaka 5 back, ungafaka 6 back, we're still not gonna win the World Cup. You understand? You said prove again namhlanje sidliwe already. Yabo, him trying to play defensively. So just coach faka player in their own positions. Yabo. We can still make it through our group stage. I don't think it's over yet. Yabo. But now I have a question for you. Yabo. On the next 2 games, what would be your ideal like starting 11s for the next 2 games for us to make it through? Starting 11 which are the players would you like to see starting the game, maybe coming on second half? Consider futhi ukuthi uSithole has a red card, Umshishi now has a red card.
Yeah.
What do you think about that? So which players would you like to see for the next 2 games in order for us to make it through to the group stages?
Okay, yeah. Not too many changes, but obviously we still go with Ronza in goals because I believe today we even deserve 5. Yeah. That's red card from Son. It was supposed to be a goal, and there are some good saves that Ronan Williams made. So I believe he's the best. He can start on that position. He's still the best. Yeah, we need him. Start with Williams, right back Mtau, left back Motiva. Then the center back pairings, that's where the problem starts. It also has to start with the selection of the coach, which I was not agreeing with. But ngaqala mfethu lo uSibisi Nombokazi. Yabo? Ayengiyamazi Sibisi nayo ishayela amaplanda akusiyo ngathini. It's not the best pairing, but I can prefer the both kulama options now. Because I know they've been playing together with Pirates, they understand one another. At least there's something, there's that connection, there's that understanding. In the midfield, no man, start Jaden and Gwena. They are doing well on Sundown so far. Like they have that momentum, they understand one another. So Ngicathi lokho koba lula. Then attacking, yeah, I think Mfokeng ngamqala. Police on the left hand side as an inverted. Ngizama ukuthi ngiphume ngosibelebele ka right umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi ezo-cover space, maybe allow uMdawu ukuthi andalephe. So but I feel like we need the pace yakhe usibelebele lapha. He can give us something. Then obviously phambili siqale ngo-right. So that's my first 11. Engibona ngathi at least, yeah.
Okay. So for Urele hasn't been starting much for iBafana Bafana. How do you think he will manage these games, especially now since now we have to start getting points? They understand. We've seen at times ukuthi sometimes pressure yokudlalela iBafana Bafana sometimes buyimgwinye. So like this is the World Cup now and we have more pressure now because we have to gain points. I'm speaking Urele particularly because you know Urele is our South African star. Like we end up play we can put
that can win games for us.
Yeah, this is our jam. This is our South African jam. Yeah, bo. SSCAKT from our academies. Yeah, bo. So how do you see him doing in these games? Like, what do you expect from him?
Firstly, believe in him. Give him the motivation. You know, we all know what Relay is capable of. And he proved himself domestically, not internationally. But again, I feel like with his capability, he can contribute a lot. As long as you can believe in him, give him a chance, motivate him. You understand? So I feel like we would see that's the only thing you can do. Just believe him. Just believe in him. Give him more game time. Motivate him. Yeah, obviously maybe he cannot do it as we are expected. But I feel like he's like the brain of the team. As long as you can try to play him according to his strength, don't demand a lot from him. Don't demand him to come and drop on our half, mark deep. Yes, we all need to mark if it's an ball. I understand, but we have one of those players who, like, whenever they got the ball, they can make things happen. So I feel like just believe in him. Tell him to do what he does best. Simple. Like local okwazi ukwenza nje siyakwazi ukuthi ukwenza my petty ball. Nje ngithi ngifuna leyo nto ungenzele leyo nto. Like uncreate ama opportunities ungranele off the ball. So like that's the thing. I feel like Uguti is the player that we need the most. And Simtinga at his best, not just any really. Simtinga like at his best. So for Uguti ekwazi ukuthi ebekuleyo level, like he needs the motivation of the coach, like the staff, everyone, even on the team, you understand? So I think he can perform. I know maybe the World Cup is not easy, but yeah, I believe he can perform. It's all in the mind, in fact. It's all in the mind. Yeah, as long as you can believe in him. If we are Mali as was performing now, we are Mali are also like higher expectation. Everyone expects we are Mali to win the Spain game. So also really he's capable of doing that, but again, you need to believe in him. Because he's that guy who was going to win the game.
Yeah, but and yazi mina ukuthi Hugo Bruce, Hugo Bruce will not do this, yeah, but I'd love to see Urele Beno Reina starting together. I think they would form a very dangerous duo, yeah, like Urena's having Urele as a 10, like as his creative player, like because Urena's mina for me kule World Cup, like Wama strikers now, he's the best striker that we have in terms of finishing. And mina
Exactly.
ngifuna istriker mfethu esikwazi ukora, yabo. And having Urele as someone who creates amathuba, like you look at the profile yaga Reyners, because even though Reyners now he likes making runs, dangerous runs, foods. So Urele, and you know Urele, when he has the ball, he can pick a man. So
yeah, I can pick a pass. Yeah,
I would love to see that partnership, but I don't know if Zwebona yini. I don't know whether Bruce uzoyisaba yini iChecha, because we have Checha next week. Man. But I hope we are born right now. Ukuthi starting
the thing is,
defensively will not help as from now on. Yeah. So, man,
so
I hope
so based on the starting 11, when ubungaya ngasiphi starting 11, so since njengoba ubonile ukuthi today it was terrible, it was like angikwazanga even ngisho ukuyiqeda leya thing, ngibukile ngayiqeda but bese ngiba nalento ukuthi no man, ayikho into engiyibuka la, there's nothing interesting.
Yeah, but starting 11, bro, it's not too different from when. Yeah, but the only difference is I start to Apolis and have one of Umuremi no Owanyu Maseko as a starting 11, because I even said it on our previous video, Uti. The reason why I'd have those two is because Yabona having Umfukeng, Apolis, and last time ngathi last time on my starting 11 ngathi ngifuna kuqala umshishi Apolis, and then I said I wanted to start one of the wingers, yeah, well, because you can't have Umfukeng, Apolis, and Umshishi, because bonke labo boy 3, they love taking central positions, but the crowd down, yeah, but since Umshishi is out, you can have Umfukeng inside, yeah, and Apolis you can have him, yeah, but I still would like to see one of Muremi no Maseko, yeah, just because Bona, I feel like finishing wise they're a little bit better than Usbelebele, and they played more this season, yabo. Remember Usbelebele, there was a period where he got injured, yabo, but he came back in form. Ungamfaka, yabo, ukuthi assist inside like Mdao, yabo. But I feel like Umuremi benoMaseko are more dangerous, yabo. And then I have Reyners phambili. But yeah, man, sithembe ukuthi ucoach uzowenza kanjalo mfethu. Yeah, not a good result today. Am I surprised ukuthi sidliwe? Maybe not so much, but man. Am I surprised?
I'm not
who sets up it defensively. I'm not surprised who sets up it defensively, but I'm surprised Uguti he went and did it with the back 5 with no wingers and no 10. That's the surprise.
That's their first 11. You want their first 11. Like no winger, no attacking midfielder. So like actually I keep playing your attack. Like Western look I'm full of goal, but I have no interest actually. No? There was a time that I think it was like 4 minutes, 3 minutes, after 5 minutes. That best Kume Kona count, I follow last out to your Uber. Foster. But uyabona ukuthi lapha if we have like ama-players esibazi yabo apolisi rele like bese seyithatha leya opportunity leya yebo leyo nto le but it shows ukuthi i-coach yona like ubengenawo ama-intentions mfethu angitholi ubengenawo ama-intentions honestly. But yeah, not the good results. I feel like the team can come back on the next game and do better and try to collect the maximum point because that's the most important thing now. If we can try to collect the maximum point, then yeah, we go and fight for the last game. Maybe we get a draw or we get another win. I think that's the thing. We need to aim high. We need to aim high. That's the thing. If you are aiming for number 3, if it didn't happen as the way you planned, obviously you don't qualify automatically. Go and aim for first spots. If izinto zingakuhambeli credit fethu uzowela ko number 3, number 2. So that's the thing. I feel like none of you concludes basabe kakhulu abantu.
Yeah, I hope for the next 2 games he changes. Yabo. That's just what I hope. Yeah, but yeah, guys, that's it from me. On the video. I don't know if khona enye into osafuna ukuyi-add-a Jayam.
No, thank you. Just want to say thank you for having me, guys. It's always a pleasure. Yeah. Sazoshaya amanye ama-video. As long as i-World Cup ise-honest, let's hope South Africa izoqhubeka iye phambili.
Sembe kanjalo mfethu. Yeah, it's your boy Nhlanhla Hlakuzini Mdima, and yeah, I was joined by my very, very good friend Mkonzo Buthelezi. And yeah, guys, we'll see you on the next one next week against Czechia. Hopefully we get a result. But yeah, we are signing out. Hola.
Okay, thank you. Sharp.